We're back! Oh, hi! Oh, hi! Do you remember me? Oh, you guys look so good together. We're on our way. We're at the pond, getting ready to get on. And there's a little dog swimming off to the pond. Yay, he made it. Look at how fast he's running. Wow, you are a big man. We've been riding for 3 hours. So we scouted the whole room to make sure there was nothing in here, and now that's what we found. Oh! You good, Jeff?
Yeah. Yeah, he has manners. Oh, does he? Yeah, he's just a bit slow.
We're here for lunch.
Yay!
Feeling tender, but feeling better than last time, hey?
Yes.
A little bit better than last time.
Better than yesterday.
Are you interested?
It's so sore.
Are you sore? We've made it to Wavecrest and they've given me the most amazing room. look. It's a family suite just for me. I'm moving into Kate's room because there were bats. There were bats in my room, so we pulled an entire mattress into a room because I'm sleeping by myself. Our new and improved bedroom. We're having sleepovers. We enjoyed our 2 nights together in Kai River Mouth so much that we just couldn't be separated for another night.
Surprising nice. Bats and scary funny stories.
And then geckos and frogs and
Frogs,
spiders.
Spiders.
Yo, well, we were all up last night because there was the craziest storm, but now look at how beautiful it looks outside. We're on our way back to Kai Mouth and it is going to be a rush because Mel said that there's flood warnings, so we need to get over Kai River Mouth as quickly as possible. We got to cross with the pond, and apparently if the water level's too high then they don't let us pass, so we need to be able to get across. So see you in Kai. Oh, goodbye Wavecrest. See, we can't go across. The river is flooded, so we can't get across, we can't get back to Kai. So right now we're trying to figure out what to do. I think we're going to go back to Wavecrest, hang out, have some drinks, and figure out what's the next step. I have to go back. Goodbye. Mwah. So, what's going to happen now is they've got 2 vehicles and they're going to take everybody back to Kai Mouth. Just upset to say goodbye to Percy.
Oh, and Taraka.
This is how we get back to Kai.
Have the helmet on the ferry.
It's because you miss Unicorn. Bye bye Transky. So we got back in Kai, but the horses are at Wavecrest, so we're riding new horses.
No.
This is Silver. Who is it?
Tennessee.
Oh, sweet! He's like really going for it! Oh, and with your stirrups.
Been wild.
What you doing? Filming you. Uh-huh.